Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told that the total area of a coastal city is 92.1 square miles, of which 11.3 is water. So firstly, if we just want to find the square miles that are land, we take the total and we subtract the water, and what's left, which is 80.8 square miles, is the land. And we're told that the city has a population of 621,000, and so from this, find the population density. So the population density is going to be equal to, if we're thinking about the units of this, right, in people per square mile of land area, how are we going to find it? Well, take the total people and divide it by the total land. So there's 621,000 people, and they are in 80.8 square miles of land. If you divide 621,000 by 80.8, you get 7,685, roughly, people per square mile. This is your population density, which is very close to B, which is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.